In this video, you will learn how to set up an input template to capture multiple information fields from a peripheral device or an external system. Identify your data frame fields and control characters beforehand. Log in as administrator. Access the Setup menu. Select Communication, then Input Template and choose a template from the right side. Set the parameters of the first data field: preamble, length, postamble, termination character, and assignment. Go to the next page to edit the data entry further if needed, then save the settings. Continue adding the rest of the data frame elements by tapping on the three-dot icon and then the plus symbol. Look for the Input Template soft key on the main screen. If there is no soft key, you can add it from the soft key settings. Now create the communication connection for the peripheral device. From the main menu, select Communication, then Connections. Add the connection to the device, selecting the communication port, assignment, and input template. For testing, go back to the Input Template menu branch, select the template, tap on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner, then tap on the arrow icon and proceed scanning the barcode.